Hey guys, welcome back to another Ilocano folk beliefs and practices video. This is episode 2 and the topics are gonna be infancy, adolescence, and courtship. Let's just jump right in. If the kayanak has physical defects, like he's given a hair washing rite preceded by a folk healer. If the defect is not healed, the family accepts the baby's condition and views it as a sign of good luck.
For some people, they said it's like a good luck to them, but I don't know. For me, I would take my baby to the doctor, see if they can heal that thing.
Yeah, nowadays. Now, the child's sleeping position is the subject of his parents' special attention because of certain meanings associated with each particular position. It is said that if the baby sleeps float on his belly on the floor or bed, bad luck or hardship will befall.
The nose or the mouth being covered and they cannot breathe. I think that is what they call now it calls death.
If the baby gnashes his teeth, he is said to have parasites in his body. The baby That is it for the infancy portion. Hey guys, we're actually filming the second clip on a different day, so you're gonna see a stark contrast between the previous clip and this one. It's been like raining, started like 2:00 p.m. So, adolescence. Pubescence for the girl comes at age 11. And by the way, if you hear thunder and stuff and if it starts drizzling, we can't control that, okay? Pubescence for the girl comes at age 11 when most girls begin to menstruate. Some of the taboos which girls observe during menstruation include eating sour fruit, which may cause blood clotting, and menstrual cramps. Taking a bath or carrying heavy objects, which may cause matipdan, sudden stop of menstrual flow, which may lead to insanity or death.
Take my horse to the Old Town Road, I'm gonna...
At this stage are also asked to sit on the third step of the stairs so that she will have only 3 days of menstruation. I already know about the sour fruit thing, like don't eat mango when I'm on my period. I've heard that from basically everyone. So that one is one of the more well-known beliefs. Comes at age 11 when most girls begin to menstruate. When did you?
I think I have it when I'm 16.
Oh my gosh, do you want to know when I had mine?
What? So 13,
No,
11,
no,
10.
no.
Oh my God, too young, 8 to 9?
Ding ding!
What?
They didn't mention it, but I know the bath thing.
Yeah, you can have a bath, but quickly, because it's no good to soak in the water when you have your period.
Boys aged 13 to 21 voluntarily submit themselves to kugit, circumcision, by the local specialist. The rite usually takes place near a river, a creek, or a stream. The materials used are a sharp knife or blade, a wooden mold made from stripped guava branch, guava brew, and coconut palm scrapings. Like the pubescent girl, the circumcised boy discards his childish games and cranks for more adult pursuits.
Really, COVID is supposed to be every boy, every male should have it.
Filipino fathers and Filipino uncles joke about kugit, but it's something that they actually did in the past. Yeah, kugit is a male rite of passage, something that they have to do for them to be considered a man. Okay, moving on to courtship.
You know, during the time of your grandma, Colette, when the boys fancy somebody, before they start to court them, they do the serenade. You know, they do serenade them. That's the beginning. When harana, you have to let them in, exchange songs,
Perform.
yeah, until what time they like to go home or whatever. They sing.
Really?
Yeah.
Even at like 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Why?
If they want to stay longer, you cannot let them go. If they want to go already, then they go.
Nowadays,
No more harana, no more serenade, no more different way now.
Nowadays, we have 90 Day Fiancé.
Oh my God.
Courtship begins with a series of casual conversations and visits to the girl's home, where the boy gets to know the girl and her family. Long courtships are expected to give both parties a chance to be sure about their own feelings for each other. Wow.
Yes.
Nowadays, I like you. Do you like me?
Go to the cinema.
Bar.
Go to have a drink.
Yeah. Carnival. Coffee.
Yeah.
And by the way, you guys, I've actually never been on a date before, even though I'm like, bar, cinema, movies. The boy sends love letters, my dad, to the girl regularly as constant reminders and declarations of a willingness to continue the amorous pursuit. You know about love letters?
Yes.
You've received some love letters?
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe. Is that a yes or no?
Oh, I don't know. Yes, I say yes.
And are they all sunshine and rainbow with chocolate and roses? The harana, serenade, is also one way of expressing love. The boy asks a group of friends to join him on a moonlit night. In waking up
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
night.
Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
As the whole family. For
With a
that-
flashlight? Do they actually use flashlights?
Yeah, to flashlight to for their way to come. You look down the window. Who is that? It's up to you if you let them in or not. Sometimes, if you don't let them in, some men are doing some, it's not good.
Harassment.
Something like that. You know what I heard about that side before? When they get sinampay, when they take them that, put somewhere there.
Those are people who can't deal with rejection.
Yeah.
Do you have to let them in?
Yes.
What if you're not interested in them?
If you're not interested, then let them go home. Let them go away. But it's not really nice. It's like giving honor to them.
Honor!
Well,
Wow, that's a-
it's like,
Honor.
not honor is the wrong word.
Thank you for the little performance, but I'm gonna have to shoo you away. Yes? Or that's rude? Is that...
And it's not only you. It depends also your parents if they want them to let them in.
Yeah, because if you let a guy in, the guy's gonna think, oh, this girl is also interested in me.
Well, I don't know what to say. But when they come to serenade your Lola Colette, you are awake there listening to their songs,
Waking up his beautiful maiden with love songs.
Oh, bakit nagising ka agad? Hindi pa kita hinahalikan.
Sa laki ng uso mo, palapit ka pa lang, ramdam ko na yung vibration.
Now, are these love songs? Are these his own songs?
Any songs, any love songs.
He doesn't have to compose it himself.
He don't need to. The last time is in your Lola Colette's time. That Lola Colette, Lola Lydia, those times.
But in your time,
No more.
the relationship, once formalized, is carried out with utmost discretion. Why?
At that time, when they saw somebody, a girl and a boy walking down the street, and they think, oh, they're already boyfriend and boyfriend. And if you see them holding hands, oh, you don't know what they're doing now. People talk.
Why serenade them and then to keep it under wraps? Serenading somebody is not a discreet thing. You are showing them how you love them. Declaration of love. But then the next step is to keep it discreet.
No. You're showing that you're interested to the girl like that when you serenade them.
But then the next step, you have to be shh about it. The neighbors are gonna hear if they're like, the guys are on the guitaras. Does a guy ever go by himself to do harana?
No, they have their group, their company.
10 people.
Not really.
Five
Maybe
max.
something like
Yeah.
that.
Now, why are there other men there if there is just one?
There are other men there
Why?
just
What's
to
the reason?
just to give a company to their friend.
Some men have gone by themselves once, I'm sure, right?
I never heard only one. No.
Okay.
They go, even
Well, from your experience.
before when Manong Pilong, the eldest brother, he played the guitar. So when there's some of his group, they want to go to serenade somebody, they have to get Manong Pilong to do the guitar. So she can play the guitar and they do the singing and he
Oh, okay.
ukulele, something like that.
Yeah. How long does this take? Can it take hours possibly? I'm sure it can take many days for the girl to answer either yes or no to your big question, which is, will you be my girlfriend, right? That's the whole point of this.
Depends. Sometimes some girls, some are easy, some don't want to answer straight away because they want to know the boy first.
Have you ever heard of long courtships?
Yeah, some are have long courtship.
5 days.
Oh, not only 5 days, darling.
10,
Yeah,
20.
A long time.
Aram.
Well, Aram, it depends on you. Yeah, we are not all the same. If you fancy the man and you want to say, yes, I love you, darling, you can say that straight away. Or you can say, oh, I have to think about this.
So
Very
1
easy.
week is even short, actually.
That is very easy that putting
In
you in
courtship,
1 week.
Aram
No,
or Tagalog ligaw.
legal. It's too quick that you can do it in 1 week. No. It takes weeks or months.
Takes weeks, possibly months.
Straight away.
Hear that, boys?
If you say it straight away, they will think that you're very cheap.
Oh my gosh.
1 week courting? No, you cannot see straight away. You have to know him first. It takes a long time. You have to know the boy if he's everything that is good, if he's responsible, if he really love you, if he got a job. Those are important, isn't it? You love somebody, the man or the boy. It's not good that just because you love him, you go with him straight away. Or you love her, for me, how will you know somebody in fact that you won't know that straight away? You won't know him.
But wait, what's the purpose of pursuing someone and putting all this effort towards one person? Then let's say that, you guys eventually begin dating. And then for you to break up after 6 months. Filipino courtship.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Like you're preparing for marriage though, because you want to know him so thoroughly. 5 months of getting to know someone, for dating, it's okay. For marriage, not okay. Well, that's my own personal. The girl is expected to remain modest and chaste. What the heck? Tradition strongly requires that the woman maintain her virginity until marriage. Otherwise, she will have to face such grave consequences as being ostracized by the community or disowned by her family. Sex education comes in the form of stories read and told by older folks.
Yeah, for me, it's like that. But some people, they have many children already before they get married.
Okay, have anything else to say?
I don't know what to say.
Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Oh, wait. Before I close the video, what are your experiences?
I don't know.
I'm sure you were a beautiful maiden.
I don't have time. I told you, I didn't have time to. My secret is my secret, no?
You really don't want to open up about...
No.
I don't believe that this woman sitting beside me
Didn't have.
has never had a love interest or a guy be not interested in her.
See what you like.
She really doesn't want to open up. Even off camera, I've been begging her, can you please? I'll kneel down.
Whatever you do, I don't have. I want not telling anything.
Okay, she's not gonna share, guys, because even off camera, I begged and pleaded. She just won't open up.
No time for love, darling.
A woman and her career. You married your career, basically. That's what happened, right?
I don't need a man because I have to work for my family. I have to work for my family. If I get a man and marry, I cannot help my family anymore.
But some guys have declared their love for you in the past. Wait, just a yes or no? Yes or no?
Maybe yes, but things happen, I cannot do. Because I'm thinking of my family. My family first. For me, my family first before somebody. I have to look after my family because we are poor. That's the main reason why I keep myself single.
It's all priorities, guys. We can do whatever we want in this life. Sometimes we're even stronger when we remain single. Because you're not dependent on anybody.
I don't depend on anybody.
Yeah, just love isn't a priority for you. Anyways, we shall close this video. Thank you again for joining me. We have 2 more topics. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!